good evening. Kinsay gusto og extra income na you don't have to spend any single cents, maka-earn na ka. So, pila na ko kabulan nag-join ani, they call it time box. They are paying you by playing games, answering surveys. Saan mo kung siya, uy? Na siya mga option how to earn money. Bin months na ako nag-ano ani, pila na ako ka months nag-join ani, pero tapulan kayo ko. So far, they paid me already total amount of $80 and then a minimum of $5 pwede nimo siya ma-pay out. See, today this is my earnings. Today's earning lang na siya. So, automatically, they will credit your earnings to your PayPal account. And dili ang time box ang mag-directly send. There is a third party. They call it Tremendous. An Australian company ang mag-send sa imuhang payments to your PayPal account. Legit kay siya mga manang. See, I have $84 and this one, later after 12 hours, they will credit it to my PayPal account. Join na mo mga manang. Registered Morning Time Box. It's free and you can earn money. I tell you, it's legit.